Stop by and take a look at the 2019 A6. The large executive favorite, the Audi A6, remains a cornerstone of the market and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, regenerative braking system, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.